Are you dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable YouTube career? Well, you are in the right place because today we are diving into the favorite topic of everyone lips, which is highest paying niches on YouTube, giving you an inside look on the potential revenue you could earn. So buckle up and let's get started. And before we go into that, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. My name is Blessing and I teach everything making money online and growing your social media handle. Now let's dive into it. Coming at number 5, we are going to be talking about the personal finance and investing. This niche, creators educate their audience on topics like saving money, investing in stock, real estate, investing in cryptocurrency, and planning for retirement. People are always looking for ways to grow their wealth and secure their financial future, making it a highly value and sought after content category. Now let's talk about money. Channel in this personal finance and investing niche can earn significant revenue through various channels like having advertisers in the finance and insurance industry who are willing to pay more for ad placements. They also make money through affiliate marketing, which is having any commission on every user who sign up for a recommended service through each link that you post on your page or on your blog. They also have sponsorship and selling digital products. They can also make money through sponsorship and they can also put their ideas into a digital product and sell it and make passive income. Moving on to number 4, we have the ever popular, the luxury lifestyle, high ticket item niche. This niche caters to viewers who are either interested in aspirational content or are actively looking to purchase a high-end good and services. Creators showcase luxury products, review expensive items, and document lavish travel experiences. That is, the creators make sure that they showcase lavish items and lavish travel expenses for viewers who are interested in luxury items and luxury products. Now, the earning potential are also driven by advertisers who are into luxury car brands, high-end fashion houses, exclusive resorts. They want to pay more for advert placement on these pages and on this channel. Now, the estimated yearly revenue for successful channel in this lifestyle niche can range from 300 to 1.5 million per year, depending on the reach and the exclusivity of their content. Now, coming out number 3, we are going to the blooming niche of the online business and marketing, which is the social media marketing. Now, people in this niche are providing valuable information. This niche focuses on providing valuable information, strategies for growing and selling online. Topic covers include e-commerce, social media marketing, SEO, content creation, and digital product development, which is in the rise now because the demand for this type of content is constantly growing. For the revenue streams, this channel can make typically $400 to $2 million annually. They also go into affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and selling of digital products. Now, coming at number 2, which is the entrepreneurship, making money online. This category often focuses directly on actionable strategies and case studies for making money online, such as freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and various online income streams. The revenue are similar to others, such as selling digital products like courses, affiliate marketing. Advertisers in this niche are paid relatively high for every click and views. Successful channel in this make an annual revenue of $500,000 to $5 million annually. To the highest paying niche at number 1, which is the business and finance border focus. This encompasses a broader range of topics within the business and financial world, include in-depth analysis of companies, market trend, economic news, mergers, acquisitions. This attracts high-quality engaged viewers who seek sophisticated financial information. Therefore, as in the finance and investment banking and business sector are willing to pay premium rates to reach the knowledgeable and influential audience. Now, potential earning annually for top channels on this niche is $1 million to $10 million yearly. In some exceptional cases, exceeding these figures. So here you have it, the top 5 paying niche on YouTube. Remember, to succeed in any of these niches, you need to have the passion, the dedication, and to always upload high quality content. Also, you need to know how to retain your audience engagement and develop strategies and approach to monetization. And also, you need to be very consistent in whatever you're doing. Any of the niche you decide to focus on, you need to be very consistent in them. You need to always upload video and make sure that you upload high quality videos. Tell me in the comments which of the niche you are willing to dive into and which of these niches you are passionate about and catches your interest. And if you want to learn more ways on how to earn online and make money online, you need to subscribe to this channel. And before then, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.